Let us discuss 5 ways meditation improves your life. 1. Meditation teaches us the difference between ourselves and our thoughts. When we meditate, we learn to notice when a thought is happening, as well as when it has taken our attention, and we've become absorbed in it. Once we recognize this, we bring our attention back to a point of focus. Through meditation, you will be introduced to the concept that you are not your thoughts, that they are not one and the same. Meditation is a practice that builds the skill set of noticing thought, recognizing it for what it is, and stepping back far enough from it to choose where to go next. 2. Meditation teaches us how to let go of thoughts and improve sleep. Meditation is like a workout for your brain. Instead of picking up weights to build muscle, you're putting down thoughts to build the strength of mind. And over time, your ability to let go of thoughts, especially those that do not serve you, grows. This makes it easier to fall asleep, to get out of a funk, and to clear your mind, and find more peaceful moments in life. 3. Meditation teaches us self-compassion and patience. Meditation is a pretty simple concept, but it isn't always easy, especially when we are just starting out. A lot of our anxiety comes from a place of impatience for something in the future to make us happy. With practice, meditation teaches us acceptance. There may be times where you feel like you were thinking the whole time you're meditating, and you may find that frustrating, like you're doing something wrong. But, through the practice, we learn that we need to be kind to ourselves and accept that this is how our brain works. It takes self-compassion to accept the present moment for what it is. 4. Meditation teaches us to be less judgmental. We're constantly judging ourselves and others. We put labels like good or bad on people based on their actions or appearance. When we meditate, we witness our thoughts. We observe our feelings, we experience our bodily sensations, but we don't judge them. We approach them with curiosity. 5. Meditation can help you break habits, and literally rewires your brain with new patterns. The brain likes habits. It helps it work more efficiently. If you've done something in the past, and it worked even a little, it will store that in a secure part of the brain for safekeeping. Meditation rewires your brain through the process of neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to form new connections. Habits start to break, and we start to gain more control over what we think, how we feel, and what we do. I think this is the coolest part about meditation. It eventually allows us to respond to situations in the way we choose, instead of always automatically reacting with our old, afflictive patterns. It allows us to fully become the person we know we are, the person we want to be.